Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add Google account to your device Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to Google Play Store and click on sign in button here, and phone will be checking info. Here you go to insert your email ID. Just type email ID here. I type my email ID here. Yes, I typed email ID and click on next. In the next screen, you go to type your password. Here I type my password. Yes, I typed my password and click on next. If you have enabled two-step verification, and it will ask complete it. So here in my phone, I receive two-step verification and I have completed it. And now your phone will ask whether you are only using this phone, or you will hand over this phone to your child. Okay, if you are using your phone, then choose first one, otherwise choose second one. Okay, and click on next and click on turn on backup if you need. Okay, never lose your contact. Turn on backup and click on I agree, and Google services are loading. Just click on accept. Okay, and yes, Google account now added to your device. Okay, now you can enjoy with the Google Play services. Just downloading app from Google Play Store, purchasing app from Google Play Store, and enjoy the game on other apps. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.